Are you a dopamine addict? You might be if you take any kind of drug, or if you simply can't go without an hour here on your phone, or you need a coffee to function. You are hooked on the same brain chemical that underlies drug addiction. Whether it's scrolling on Instagram, snorting cocaine, the common denominator is always the same. It's dopamine. And this is something we need to understand. Well, the good news is you can retrain your brain to get that dopamine high in very healthy ways. And this is what I want to focus today on with my concept of dopamine replacement therapy, my method of swapping cheap dopamine from drugs, bad habits, and so on with healthy dopamine from positive activities, turning your life around, priming yourself for success. It could make the quitting drugs much easier. Sounds far-fetched? Well, keep watching until the very end. You'll see how some of these things I want to mention here in that video might give you a buzz to rival any drug in the world. My goal is that my followers are not taking any drugs. There is a disclaimer I want to make. I'm not a doctor. Quitting drugs is hard and professional help is often needed, especially for those with serious addictions. This method is a tool, not a guaranteed cure for many people out there. If you're strong, you have a strong mind, well, watch that video because there is a lot of hope for you. Let's get straight into it. And now, first of all, let's start with the dopamine trap. Drugs like cocaine, opioids, cannabis, whatever you name it, even caffeine. They flood your brain with dopamine and then leave it drained, making you drop below the baseline you had before. After a drug high, dopamine levels crash far below the normal level, leaving you feel miserable and craving more. That is horrible, and that's what makes you addicted, because you need the same substance again to push back, get back that amazing feeling. Over time, your brain gets desensitized. You need more and more of this substance just to feel okay. And it's not just drugs. Smartphones, social media also hook us with constant little dopamine hints. No wonder it's so hard to break free. Your brain is always seeking for the next fix. I will overlay some of the charts here, which are showing you how the dopamine moves and it then drops back below the baseline. I heard before, if someone takes something like cocaine, this dopamine high goes quite high and drops very quickly. This is not only cheap dopamine, it's very unhealthy for your heart, it's unhealthy for your body, unhealthy for your bank account, unhealthy in every single regard. So now let's talk about my cure, my fix for that problem. And I want to call it the dopamine replacement therapy, not TRT, DRT. Healthy highs, let's talk about it. That is the solution. Instead of quitting and feeling empty, give your brain a different dopamine source. Many people who just quit cold turkey, they feel so horrible that the likelihood for them to actually go back to that addiction is very high. The relapse risk is very high. So exercise is one of them, right? If you didn't know already, exercise gives you a nice dopamine hit, but that is not the strongest one. I want to talk about the strongest one here towards the end of the video. A good workout releases dopamine and endorphins, giving you a natural high that cuts cravings. In fact, a 2022 randomized controlled trial found that recovering meth addicts who did 12 weeks of exercise had significantly lower cravings. Another powerful tool, one which I'm doing every day. I mean, you can see it. I have an ice bath myself with a beautiful view here. Not everyone can afford it, but everyone can afford some ice every now and then in their bathtub. An ice bath can light up your reward circuits. And by the way, if you are in one of the colder countries, you can just take a cold shower. It gives you very similar effect. One study actually found that just 14 degrees Celsius cold plunge or cold shower boosted dopamine levels by 250%. And that one lasted for hours to come, not for like 9 minutes like on one of these expensive drugs. That's comparable to a stimulant drug hit without the crash afterwards, because it goes up slow, it stays up for a long time, and then it goes down very slowly. You get a long-lasting mood lift very naturally. Ice bath comes with a lot of recovery benefits also. It comes with some downsides if you are overdoing it too much, but these downsides are so much less than the downsides of taking drugs that I wouldn't even think about them if I would be a drug addict. So what's the conclusion? What's the bottom line? Don't just remove the drug, replace it with something positive, whether it's resistance training, cardio training, ice bathing. Flood your system with dopamine from healthy activities so you don't feel a void. This way you can get a high on life instead on a high on chemicals. It's not a magic cure for everyone maybe, but it makes recovery much more enjoyable and sustainable. Why ride the drug roller coaster of extreme highs and lows when you can feel steady high and happy? Take back control of your brain's reward system and escape the dopamine trap for good and forever. Ladies and gentlemen, share this video with someone who needs it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and watch this very important video. And as always, guys, bye-bye.